I want to start with a question I keep seeing on Reddit almost every week. Is the VFX industry dead? Can you actually make a living as a VFX artist anymore? Should I even bother getting into this field? And honestly, these are not stupid questions. If you spend 10 minutes on the VFX subreddit right now, you would think the whole industry is on fire. So let's talk about what's actually true. First, let's be honest about what the community is saying, because the fear didn't come from nowhere. The post-strike hangover is very real. The big Hollywood strikes froze the entire productions, and even now, studios are still dealing with that financial backlog. Fewer projects are being greenlit than during that streaming boom. The junior crunch is real too. Multiple threads on Reddit talk about entry-level salaries starting very low, while basic rota and prep work, the traditional way art is broken, is being outsourced to cheaper regions or partially automated as well. And then there is AI. Every other post asks whether AI is going to wipe out entire departments. That anxiety is everywhere right now. Now here is the part that gets buried under all the panic. In the very same Reddit threads, working seniors and leads share a completely different picture. Senior compers and supervisors in North America are reporting incomes from $130,000 to $250,000 and beyond. Studios will always pay a premium for a safe pair of hands, the artist who can save a messy shot under deadline pressure. And notice something important here. The people saying the industry is dead and the people saying I make a great living are often in the same industry, sometimes the same studio. The difference is not luck, it's positioning, it's seniority, adaptability, and problem solving. So here is my honest take after years in this industry, including my time at ILM. What's actually dead is the old roadmap. Walk out of school with a basic reel, get hired as a junior, climb for 10 years inside the same studio, retire with a gold watch. That path is gone, maybe forever. But the craft is not going anywhere. Directors will always change their minds on set. Lighting will always be imperfect in camera. Productions will always need artists who can step into chaos and fix it. These artists thriving right now are not the ones fighting the new tools. They are the ones using them. AI assistants, procedural workflows, faster pipelines to solve problems in a fraction of time. You're not paid for the button you click. You are paid for your eye, your taste, and your judgment. AI doesn't have judgment. So can you still make a living in VFX? I think the answer is yes. But the question was never really about the industry. It's about whether you're willing to evolve faster than it does. If you're building skills, building relationships, and solving real problems, there is going to be a chair in this industry with your name on it. Maybe not the chair you expected, but it's there.